Is today National Ceiling Fan Day, Luke? Yeah? We celebrate all kinds of fans? Here's the Westinghouse. Hampton Bay Relay. Then the box fans, Lasco box fan, they're all on fighting each other. Tower fan. Portable fan. This one is off, needs to be charged. Desk fan. All kinds of fans, look. All of them in my garage. Now over here, the second part of Luke, the fan dude collection fans. More box fans, mini, all kinds of fans, right, Luke? Right, Luke, all kinds of fans on National Ceiling Fan Day. Alright, Luke, say bye to your subscribers. Happy National Ceiling Fan Day. Luke, the Fan Dude.